Hi guys, so today I am going to make avocado from super clay. So for that I have taken light green color clay and made the oval like shape, and then I have made its border, hands and legs, and the most important part, the seed of the avocado, with the help of the brown clay. Dark green color clay was not available in super clay, so I painted it. Then I made its eyes and mouth, and then I wondered I have made one healthy fruit, so let us make one unhealthy cupcake too. So I made a very cute small cupcake with the help of yellow clay and pink clay. From yellow clay I made the cup, and from the pink clay I made the cake. And after that I added some sprinkles on top of the cake and shaded the cup with brown color. Then I made the cherry on top of it. Then our both clay structures will be ready. I have used it as a magnet. I have made many more like this.